Hi, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you one of my go-to meal prep recipes, chicken meatballs. I love having chicken meatballs as a meal prep because I find that they go with pretty much anything. You can have them with rice, pasta, salad, quinoa, pretty much anything. Plus, they take on other flavors really well. And the best part about this recipe is that it's freezer friendly. That means you can make a double batch, freeze half, and then later on thaw and coat with sauce. This recipe makes for 40 meatballs, so you can have them all as one flavor or you can mix and match them. And don't forget, if you're looking for the printable versions of this recipe, you can find everything linked to my website down below in the description box. Okay, so let's get started. To start, you'll need 2 pounds of ground chicken, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, another 1.5 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half a cup of parmesan, half a cup of panko, and 1 egg. Now mix everything together, but be careful to not overmix. To shape the meatballs, I use a little cookie scooper to portion them out so they're the same size to ensure they cook evenly. As your meatballs will get denser as they cook, avoid over-rolling them. Place them on a parchment-lined tray with some cooking spray on it and bake at 400 for 25 minutes. The first set of meatballs will be hoisin sriracha glaze. To a saucepan, add 1 cup of beef broth, half a cup of hoisin sauce, and then 3 tablespoons of sriracha. Mix everything together on medium to low heat. Add a cornstarch slurry and mix together until the sauce has thickened. Give it a taste and adjust the hoisin to sriracha ratio if necessary. Then set aside until the meatballs are done. Next up, we have yakitori inspired meatballs. In a saucepan, add in half cup soy sauce, half cup mirin, quarter cup sake, quarter cup water, and 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Mix everything together and then add in a cornstarch slurry to thicken. Set aside when done. And lastly, we've got tteokbokki inspired Korean meatballs. I'm only sharing the half portion of this sauce because I only had exactly 2 tablespoons of gochujang left. Start with the 1/3 cup water and 2 tablespoons of gochujang. 1 to 2 teaspoons of gochugaru, and then 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of garlic. And again, mix until thickened. And when your meatballs are done, you can drizzle the sauce directly on top of them, or you can coat them in a pan, or you can even just toss them into the sauce in your saucepan. And that's how you make chicken meatballs 3 ways. If you like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you clicked on the like button and subscribe for more new videos. Until next time, bye!